In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us learn idioms and phrases. Part 1. N. Meanings and use. Number 1 idiom is by fits and starts or in fits and starts. Meaning: in irregular manner, intermittent activity. Sentences: we worked by fits and starts because of the cold weather. I used to visit my friends by fits and starts when I was near. Number 2. Bag and baggage. Meaning: with all one's possessions, leaving nothing behind. Sentences: he left the place bag and baggage after he met a mishap. They shifted to a new place bag and baggage. Number 3. Between Scylla and Charybdis. Meaning: between two equal dangers. Sentences: we are between Scylla and Charybdis to decide whether to stay or leave. They were between Scylla and Charybdis whether to wade through water or go through jungle. Number 4. Beat hollow. Meaning: beat or defeat severely. Sentences: the thief was beaten hollow by the owners of the house. He was beaten hollow in the last hour of the game. Number 5. Beat the drum. Meaning: proclaim one's merit or importance. Sentences: he is beating the drum of his success as a candidate for the final match. He always beats drum of his bravery, but runs faster than anybody else if he sees a dog. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.